Marshall came to help us open. Thanks, Marshall. This is a Jungle Pet Carrier surprise from Jungle in My Pocket. The carrier, the toys, and the collector checklist. And we have here, this is the elephant. Let me find the elephant's name. It's Ella. Ella the elephant. She is just so cute. Splash in the water. And here is a panda bear. And the panda's name is Bamboo. Aw, these pets are so cute. And I just love the little carrier that comes with them. That's awesome. And here we have a Disney's Doc McStuffins Chocolate Surprise Egg. Here's the flyer. And this is Donnie McStuffins. Rainbow Dash, and a Spiderman egg, and a Num Noms surprise. Delicious chocolate. And a Spider-Man toy. And a little stand. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Very cool, Spider-Man. And here's the flyer. And here's our Num Noms surprise from Series 2. The collector's guide. And this is Sugarberry. And Cola Gloss Up. Minnie Mouse and 2 surprises. Chupa Chups. And it looks like a ring from the Winx Club. A heart shape and a sticker. So pretty, Minnie. Shopkins Chef Club. Recipe card. The collector's guide. And 2 Shopkins. One Shopkins. And 2 Shopkins. This is Stack's cookie and Herb L tea bag. And here's Peppa Pig and a frozen chocolate surprise egg. Yummy chocolate. And it's a beautiful Elsa ring. Very, very pretty. And the flyer. Thanks, Peppa. And here we have a Littlest Pet Shop Fashems from Series 3. And this is Penny Ling. And she's super squishy. Awesome surprises, Peppa. And here is all of our surprises. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to come back and subscribe for more surprises every day. I'll see you soon. Bye.